This place turns Korean street snacks into a fun experience. It's called Witch's Tteokbokki and it's $24 for lunch, all-you-can-eat spot in Manhattan, New York, where you build your own bowl. If you've never had tteokbokki before, it's a chewy Korean rice cake that's usually served in a spicy and savory sauce. But here, you get to make it your own way, with tons of toppings and sides and a setup that feels more like an activity than a meal. We weren't sure what to expect, but this ended up being one of the most fun meals we've had in a long time.
I'm gonna make a little bit of mala. And then we'll do our toppings. Which tteokbokki do you want? Oh, look, they have this one.
Oh, that's more your style. Flat.
They have the long one too. And they have the thick one. They have these little ones.
It's like boba. They also have a sweet potato one in the back.
There's so many kinds. This one is a pumpkin. Pumpkin. This one has cheese inside. Do you want it?
No.
This one with a hole.
Wide glass noodle. Fish cake. Imitation crab meat, of course.
There's seafood too, and eggs.
And all the veggies. Wow, grapes, really?
Want chili?
Yeah, maybe a small dash.
The hot food. Oh, they have to make your own ramen over here. With the machine puts the water for you, you don't have to think, and it'll cook it for you too.
And look, so many options on the wall there. Fried boiled egg.
Fried chicken?
Yeah, 2 different kinds of fried chicken, huh? Nice.
Ooh, this is gonna be my favorite. Fries? This is just filler though. Oh, kimari. You have to have kimari to dip it in the sauce. There's little calamaris and little dumplings.
Oh, and also your favorite?
Oh yeah. That's the fish cake soup.
You got a sotok here. Salad here. All right, you got everything so far?
I'm gonna pour it in. This is anchovy broth. I'm gonna add the green onion first to add extra aromatic.
Good strategy.
Nice.
All right, now we wait.
I'm gonna try the odang first. This is just fish cake on a stick. They like serve this in the street stalls in Korea, like at the train stations for a quick snack. Mmm, it's good. Let's try this while we're waiting for it to boil. Everyone knows what onion rings taste like, right? Let's taste the fried chicken. It's not salty or anything, it's just fried. So I think all this is really good if you dip it in the sauce.
Oh yeah, good strategy also.
Let me take a bite of this Korean style. Mmm, sweet and spicy. That one's good. All right, it's boiling. Let's add the stuff. I'm gonna add the ramen after.
So I think we didn't overdo it or anything because everything still fits.
Wait for it to boil. This is like a good drinking place and a friends meetup place.
For sure feels like a nighttime spot.
See, like it evaporates and becomes a little bit thicker. Dig into your tteokbokki. It's like so bouncy.
Super bouncy. Let's try the thin one. I think you got a good amount of spiciness because we do like our stuff pretty spicy.
Medium spicy.
Medium is good, but we can still taste it.
All right, it's getting so thick.
So far, so good.
So if you don't know what tteokbokki is, it's a Korean street snack. It's with rice cakes and the sweet and spicy sauce that's made with like Korean pepper paste and anchovies and sugar, I think.
Yeah, it's a really good, fun, quick snack usually.
Yeah.
And you can also get it at like Trader Joe's and stuff. So this one has one of the peppers on it that you grabbed. It's actually a little bit sweet. That pepper's pretty spicy, but it's good. It makes it really nice in here. Let's try the ramen.
He thinks that the ramen won't be as delicious.
I think just in the usual ramen broth is always the best, but let's see how it is.
And they're so cute. They give you these little pans because that's how you usually eat them.
Okay, that's good.
So it's like kind of like you make your own adventure. You can make it as customizable as you want.
Okay, so if you did what we did and got the medium, it can creep up really quick.
They have an even mild one.
Maybe dial it down a little bit because the ramen noodles soak up a lot of the spice. When you pick it up, it brings in some of the sauce with it, but it's really good. It's super spicy. This is so fun. This is like one of those things like, just take your time and eat all of this stuff because all the food is like fun. None of it's like next level, best food you ever ate type of stuff, but everything is like really
It's an experience.
Yeah, it's an experience and it's fun and it's satisfying. And also we just love all you can eat. And we had all you can eat last night too. How did you ask for this? It was $2.50.
Do you have cola?
Cola. Good. So Coke.
$2.50 for drinks.
And it has smoothie. Ooh, look how thick it is now.
Oh, there's like no liquid left.
I've never seen this kind of tteokbokki. I like this one. This rice cake is good. Seaweed with glass noodles. It's called kimari.
It's one of your favorite things.
You have to dip it. This is so good. Chewy, bouncy, a little bit fried on the outside. And because it's so thick, you could always add a little bit more
Yeah.
soup.
Yeah, we have it cooking on low right now, so since I didn't show the inside earlier, now you can see it.
Sweet potato tteokbokki rice cake has real sweet potato on the inside. This is addicting. This is so good. They also have teriyaki chicken in the cooked food area, japchae, fried rice, and pasta.
I like they have like pizza slices there too.
This is so funny. That's pretty good. This is fried rice with imitation crab. Not bad. This restaurant makes everything really good.
Yeah, everything really enjoyable.
Yeah, highly recommend coming here. This is the only Korean restaurant that does not serve kimchi. They have kimchi ramen.
We didn't realize it till a little bit later. We're like, wait a minute, hold on.
There's no kimchi.
So the good thing is because it's so cheap, we definitely feel like we got our money's worth. For the two of us, it definitely felt like it was worth it. We had a really good time here. This place is really fun, and I think we're gonna want to come back here for sure. If you want to check out all the other food adventures that we had here in New York, you can watch that video right here.